Imagine creating your own full song with lyrics, melody, instruments, and even a music video, all from your phone. Sounds unbelievable. Not anymore. Recently, Udio, one of the biggest AI music platforms, announced that after partnering with Universal Music Group, users will no longer be able to download their songs starting November 3rd. That's made many creators worried about freedom and ownership, and it's the perfect time to look at tools like Rythmix, which still let you own, download, and monetize everything you make. Your music stays 100% yours. Let's see how it works. When you open Rythmix, you're greeted by a dark, sleek interface that feels like a futuristic studio. At the bottom, there are 4 tabs: AI Song, AI Cover, Discover, and Workspace. Each one represents a different step, from generating lyrics to editing and exporting your final track. Tap AI Song to begin. Here's where the fun starts. You can create a song in 3 ways. 1. Describe what you want. 2. Write lyrics. 3. Upload an image for inspiration. In description, try prompts like a calm song for a rainy day or a summer pop track. Choose a genre like pop, rock, hip-hop, or even electronic. And mood like love, happy, heartbreak. In lyrics, you can paste your own or let the AI lyric generator write and polish them. Up to 2,000 characters. Or use image mode, where the AI creates music inspired by a photo. Then tap Create Song, and within seconds, Rythmix gives you a full track. Vocals, background, and beats. No experience needed. Your song appears in Workspace, where you can tweak it like a real producer. Each audio layer, vocals, instruments, and music is editable. The AI splitter separates vocals from background music in seconds, perfect for remixes or beat changes. You can trim, adjust volume, or replace vocals with your own. When you're done, hit Export to save your mix in high quality. Next, in AI Cover, you can recreate any song with a new voice. Upload or paste a YouTube link. Then pick a voice like Anne, Leonardo, or Jenny. Or even clone your own by recording a sample. Rythmix keeps the rhythm and emotion of the song, but gives it a fresh sound. Ideal for singers or creators who love making covers. No recording required. Everything you make on Rythmix is royalty-free. You can post, monetize, or use it commercially without copyright worries. With over 100 million songs already created, Rythmix is quickly becoming one of the most popular AI music tools of 2025. Now for the magic touch, AIMV. It turns your song into a full music video, perfectly synced with your track. AI generates visuals based on your lyrics, mood, and genre. No filming or editing needed.
Rythmix on the mic, ideas never stop. AI drops the beat, let the crowd go pop. Melodies on fire, flow straight to the top.
Preview, tweak, and export directly to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. It's pure storytelling through sound and visuals. And now, a quick surprise. I've got 2 premium codes to give away. Just comment below what kind of song you'd make with Rythmix. 2 winners will be announced next week. Click the link in the description, try Rythmix for free, and start making your first song today. Because in 2025, music creation isn't about expensive studios. It's about freedom, imagination, and AI. This is AI Border, and I bring you the latest AI tools every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.